It is December 19th, middle of the winter in Canada, and it is raining outside. This is the freaking greatest day ever. Oh my goodness. When I said it was the greatest day ever, I did not say it in jest. I truly meant it, and not just because of the weather. Oh my goodness, I'm such a happy person today. Let me just take you on a quick fast forward back to yesterday to explain why I'm so excited. We're going to Livestock for one reason and one reason only, and it is because Jean-Luc is with me, which means I can get an extra raffle ticket and an extra chance of getting the off-white Air Force Ones.
Well, it's mine if I win, so.
Can I at least make a video of them?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
good. Because for whatever reason, I've never won a livestock raffle ever. Yeah, I filled out a freaking raffle. What's the big deal, Tom? You never win raffles. You've entered every single raffle at Livestock, literally for the last year and a half, and you've never won a raffle. Why are you so excited? Today's the day it all changed. I finally won a freaking raffle at Livestock. What the heck? I won a raffle at Livestock. I'm not kidding. I'm seriously not kidding. I'm 100% serious at this point. I've been entering these for a year and a half, and I finally won a raffle at Livestock. This might be the greatest achievement in my life. I'm not even kidding. Perseverance works, kids. Just stick with it, and eventually you can win a pair of shoes that you still have to pay for. Okay, maybe it's not the most amazing achievement in my life. I am so happy. I'm seriously so happy. Oh, finally, I won a raffle at Livestock, and not just for any pair of shoes, for a pair of off-white Nikes. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in today of all days, because today is going to be positive energy 101. Like, oh my goodness, I'm in a good mood. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Guys, I'm feeling in such a good mood today. I think we need to hit at least 2,000 likes. So everyone hit that like button. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. Wow. We won a freaking we actually won a raffle at Livestock. This is incredible. And what I didn't tell you, the best part is that Jean-Luc freaking won too. Isn't that amazing?
Hey, yes I did.
His first ever raffle. I'm a little bit salty.
1 for 1, boys and girls.
That he's batting 100 and I'm batting like 1.5%.
Yeah.
But hey, I won. I'm not complaining. We're both getting our off-white Air Force Ones. This is a beautiful, magical day. The only downside is that I accidentally signed up for a size 10. Yeah. Jean-Luc got a size 12.
I got a size 12.
He doesn't want them. I actually might have to buy the size 12 or trade you my size 10s or something. We'll figure something out. Yeah. But I freaking won a Livestock raffle. Let's go. Okay, I just feel like I need to make this even more abundantly clear. I've been filling out raffles since the store opened up, I believe, last September. Every single week, every single shoe that comes out, I get a raffle card and I fill it out. It's probably been upwards of 100 raffles, and I've never won one. One of the greatest statistical improbabilities of our generation, I know. But it's okay, because today changed that. Finally, a year and a half in the making, finally happened. Let's go buy these freaking shoes. Oh, I know we didn't discuss this yesterday, but like since I prompted you to go to Livestock and fill out the raffle, you're paying for mine, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Dude, I finally won a freaking raffle. Yeah, eventually. 12. Yeah, alright, thank you very much.
Here's your receipt. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Have a nice day.
You too. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Finally! Finally!
Got it.
We finally got a Livestock raffle win. And it's a good one. Like, I didn't win some crappy pair of Jordan 1s. Not that Jordan 1s are crappy, but something that doesn't go for anything that I could just pay $20 over retail for. We actually got an expensive pair of shoes. What an amazing day. We got the off-white Air Force Ones. Let's get the receipt just so we don't lose this. Put it inside the box and check these out. Wow. Here they are. the Off-White Air Force Ones in the black colorway. So there was 2 colorways that released today. I'll be 100% honest with you. I would have rather had the green ones, but thankfully Champ Sports, by some strange mistake, sent me these last week, and they look almost exactly like the green Off-White Air Force Ones. I mean, almost identical. Okay, quick aside right here. I had someone tell me in a previous video that I was just making it up and making a bigger deal of it than it had to be, that these looked like the Off-White Air Force Ones. I need to hear from you guys. These things freaking look like the Off-White Air Force Ones, right? Like, they look identical to the Off-White Air Force Ones, and I don't think it can be disputed that the only reason Nike released them was to sort of leech off of the hype of their limited collaboration and try and sell them to the unaware consumers that think they're a similar pair of shoes. Right? Besides the black swoosh, almost identical, and I would still rather have the Off-White Air Force Ones because those ones are hyped, but these ones look the same, and I do actually like the aesthetic of them, so that is all fine. These, on the other hand, these are a lot more simple and a lot more wearable and a lot more expensive, actually. I was really surprised to see the price disparity between these and the Volt ones. I think the Volt ones are way cooler, but I guess the public thinks that the black ones are way more wearable, way less bright, and way more expensive as a result of the added demand on it. So I'm not complaining. I mean, I got the more expensive one. If I wanted to, I could sell these and then buy the Volt ones for a profit. So that's actually something I might have to consider, because that would be something that would make a lot of sense. I mean, I would get the shoe that I like and some extra money. Not bad at all if you ask me, but let's look at the pair of shoes though. Some of the features of it are the ripstop canvas that's all over the shoe, put together by this fused layering, the overexposed and oversized stitching on the swoosh, and then the off-white writing on the inside of the shoe, of course, and then you have like sort of a very, very deconstructed and exposed heel cup. This is probably just whatever heel cup they have underneath most Nike shoes exposed on this shoe. And then I really like that suede patch right back there. I do think that looks very, very cool indeed, with the exposed foam lining on the inside of the shoe, and they took out a lot of the padding on this pair of kicks. The laces look sort of reflective. I don't know, the laces might be 3M as well. I do not want to quote myself on that. The orange tab on the swoosh to let you know that it's off-white, and that big air in quotations right there. That pretty much sums up the aesthetics of the shoe. Quality materials, hey, pretty good, nothing crazy, but it's certainly nothing bad. So you'll be happy with the quality materials if you do decide to pick these up. Right now, they're only going for around $500, if my memory serves me correctly, somewhere around $500, which I mean is not bad in terms of what Off-White prices have been lately. The past couple ones have been a little bit lower. So $500 is a little bit higher than the past couple ones, but way lower than the original Off-White releases. Do you think Off-White hype is dying? I'm thinking it's starting to go the way of the Yeezy. Them just releasing new colorways of the exact same models, not trying to innovate. If I had to give advice to Nike, which I'm in no position to do, but if I had to, I'd say first either find a new artist or a new clothing brand to start collaborating with. Start doing a big series with Union LA or something like that, because people love the Jordan 1s. Or start doing new models with Off-White. The same models over and over and over again are starting to get a little bit played out. This shoe by itself does look very, very good though. It's just extremely similar to the other Air Force ones that we've seen already. The original one from the 10 collection, and of course the Volt one that released alongside it today. They come with white laces as well, which have like some sort of orange shoelace quotations on it, which is a very cool touch. I actually really do like the orange on them. I sort of wish they put orange on the black laces, but what can you do? I can't change that. The swoosh is this holographic material. It feels like a hockey card or something. When you scrape it, it sounds like this. Reminds me of those holographic trading cards that we had as kids back in the day, but these things are pretty freaking cool. I don't know what else I can say about these. Let me know what you think of them down in the comment section below, because I'm always curious to hear what you guys think of sneakers. Were you lucky enough to pick them up, or did you, like I usually do, strike out and are you gonna have to pay resale, or are you just gonna chalk them up as a loss? Let me know all of your thoughts on these down in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am just feeling in a great mood, so I'm gonna go do something fun with the rest of my day. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace. Bye.